that says it all. So, I have not done much with the tool holder station here. And the reason why is because after I was done cutting that 60 degree that you saw in the short video, but I felt that it was a wee bit dangerous, and plus of the tear out that I got at the end. So, and that was because when I gripped it, as soon as it goes to cut, it wanted to buck up. So I designed this. Now, I know it looks like it's not at 30 degrees, but as soon as you put the wood in there, it is right there. Perfect. Now I use this right here to adjust. Now that puts tension on it and makes it so it doesn't backlash also, which I am going to work on that. But it also makes it so I can change the angle. So instead of, putting it on the belt sander, I can just adjust it in or out and then just do another chop. Small little increments of 1/64. So now I can do multiple passes with the confidence of knowing I can hold the part and my fingers being out of the way, or clamp her on there, which I might make a clamping rig right here. I haven't gotten to around to that idea yet, but that is how I'm going to make the 60 degrees always perfect on here. Now I'm still gonna use a fence here, but I might do something with that too. That way I don't have to use one of these. Take it on off, but just to show you guys that if you have one tool, there's multiple uses. How creative you are of trying to get the project done with one tool. So that's it, guys. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. Bye.